Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Google Chrome SSL certificate error. Alright, let's begin. For the first step, go to Settings and then click on Time and Management. Then go to Change Date and Time and open it. Make sure your time zone is correct and enable Set Time automatically. Scroll down and click Sync so your date and time are fully updated. Next, open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, go to History, then click on Open History page. Select Delete Browsing Data, set time range to All Time, select Cookies and Cache, then click Delete Data. This resolves most SSL certificate issues caused by incorrect system time or corrupted DNS cache. Then open Command Prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig/flushdnns and press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. Finally, restart your computer to apply all changes. So that's basically how you can fix Google Chrome SSL certificate error. That's it for this video. Thanks.